Hello children, welcome back to Environmental Studies class. We are continuing with our chapter number 13, A Shelter So High. This is part 3 of your chapter and this is going to be the last part. In the last two parts, we studied about how Gaurojani went to Leh, then he went to Changpas and he's still on his journey, but now he has to come back. So what happens while journey back? So he spent few days with the Champak, but sadly it was time for him to move on. His return journey would take him away from this special place, part of the world, towards town which looked like totally different world. This time he took a different route from Leh. That means the route he took from Mumbai to go to Leh, now while coming back he's taking a little different route in order to go to Srinagar via Kargil. So he saw some more amazing buildings and different houses. He stayed in Srinagar for a few days and he was amazed by the houses there. They took his heart away. Some houses are on the mountains while other on the water. So it is very amazing. So as you can see, tourists who come to Srinagar love to stay in houseboats. Houseboats look like this, which are shown into the picture. Many of you have went to Kashmir and you must have stayed in houseboats. It's a very good experience also. Houseboats can be as long as 80 feet and around 8 to 9 feet wide. So houseboats are a very good experience to live in because they are totally like boats floating on the water but in the form of houses. Gaurav lived there for a few days and enjoyed the experience very well. Many families in Srinagar live in a donga. These boats can be seen in Dal Lake and Jhelum River. From inside the donga is just like a house with different rooms also. So it is another house on the water. Now beautiful carvings of wood can be seen on the ceilings of houseboats and some other big houses. These designs is called Kathamband, which has a pattern that look like a jigsaw puzzle. So it does not end, it always joins some other parts. It look like a jigsaw puzzle. This beautiful design is made upon the ceilings of the houseboats and some big houses also. So in villages of Kashmir, houses are made from stones, cuts and deep cut and kept one on the top of the other and coated with mud. Wood is also used. Their houses have a sloping roof. In order why they have a sloping roof, that if snow falls, if snowfall happens there, so snow should directly fall onto the ground and does not stay on the roof and make the house colder. So that's why these houses have a slanting roofs. Moving on, now some old houses have a special type of window which comes out of the wall, as you can see in the picture. This is called dab. It has a beautiful wood pattern. It is wonderful to sit here and enjoy the view. The old houses are made up of stone, bricks and wood. The doors and windows have beautiful arches, arcs, which is known as mehrab. As you can see, mehrab looks very beautiful. The designs done into the windows and doors of the buildings. So these are some of the very beautiful houses described by Gaurav, how beautiful they look and how they appear to be in Kashmir. So this is a shikara. Shikara is a very nice boat in which tourists sometimes sits and roam around into the Dal Lake. This is just to move from one place to another in Dal Lake. Shikara is used by the tourists. It is a very good attraction of Kashmir. Okay, one more tribe is also there in Kashmir in higher altitudes. One we read about was Changpas. Other is this Bakarwal. Bakarwals are also having sheep, but Bakarwals also having goats as their animals, but they also have donkeys and other animals also. Bakarwals are a little different from Changpas, but the similarity is there. They also move from one place to another, but they do not live in a shelter known as Rebo. They live in a different shelter, and they have a different shelter for winters and different shelter for summers. So this is what the difference between Bakarwals and Changpas is. But Changpas always favor on living on the higher altitudes, but Bakarwals live on a little less altitude from the as compared to Changpas. Thank you so much for watching this video. With this video, your chapter number 13, A Shelter So High, ends here. I hope you understood the chapter very, very well. Do read this chapter from your NCERT book and let me know what do you think about the chapter. I'll see you in next class. Till then, take care and be safe. Thank you, everybody.